How's it going, guys? It's PK on the phone, and today I'm gonna talk about Dash. Now, first, I'm gonna give you the short story and take a look at the market geometry and some algos before diving deeper into the Elliott Wave count for those that are actually interested in it. So, it's like other Dino coins that didn't really show strength during the last bull run. This thing is forming some sort of a zigzag, this being the wave A, B, and I'm expecting C to come because this gap still didn't get filled here, and now we have some structure support on the left and order blocks, as well as the golden zone that hasn't been triggered yet. Another thing would be the fact that this doesn't look like it's done to me, like everything else again. And I think that all the alts need some sort of a kick if they're really gonna go external to this thing being 1, 2, and 3. Some sort of a strong kick, news or whatever needs to happen in order for alts to go, or these projects are just gonna die. And most of the time when people think that something is dead, that's actually when it goes, because as you can see at the top of this was 1600 per coin, and now it's sitting at 50. But if it descends to 20 or $14, like, okay, nobody's gonna sell, but are you gonna buy it? Well, um, let's talk about some algos. So first of all, I'm calling this a wave A because I saw an impulse here, and wave B being a flat, and wave C needs to be an impulsive structure. So the retracement, when you measure from the wave A, the bearish algo defends it without breaking the golden zone. It's to the tick, literally. And if you don't know what is the meaning of this move, it's called the measured move. When the price action retraces into the area from 0.5 to 0.618 to the 65. If you don't know what that is, you can read a book called The Measured Move. But if you know about it, that means that the target for bears that shorted here is here, 0.23 minus, of course. So that's the measure move. This is what market does all the time. And funny enough, measured moves falls literally at the golden zone. You can see. This is the most history that I found on this coin. When you pull this to the top of that bull run that everybody remembers, it falls at the same spot as the measure move target. Hence why I'm thinking that this thing is not over yet. Alright, so there is a case of, like everything else, that this thing ended here. But as you can see, every time you have this sort of a upwards move, it just gets flushed. No matter how impulsive it looks, it just gets annihilated and there's a new low that comes. So even this one, alright, everybody talks how, sorry, not everybody, most of the people talk how we're bullish and all this, but you need to have an impulse if you're looking at a flat correction. Just like this, okay, there's an impulse. Yeah, sure, from here there's an impulse, but it got invalidated here. So then it's not the 1-2 anymore. Okay, so for the detailed Elliott Wave count, that probably is gonna land somewhere here to the bottom of this perfect channel. I'm gonna go to this now, so if you're interested you can stay, if not, have a good day. Alright, so I assume that most of people are not going to be interested in this one, but I'm going to go over it anyway. Alright, just a quick grabs to it. I'm going to close this and go full screen. So I had the third wave extended, this being 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3 to the 4 and 5. So a gigantic third wave, as you can see. Alright, but that's the battle that is over. No need to talk about it anymore. Gonna lower the time frame so we can take a look at the subdivision. Alright, welcome to the jungle. So let's go. So this is my main impulse wave, and to reach that 1, 2, inner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reach your third wave, 4 to the 5th, wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C for the 4, 5 to end your third wave. Then we have a flat for the 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one tiny 4 and 5. I'm gonna stick this count to the Discord if you guys want to see it. Then that was your A wave of a zigzag. Now the B wave of a zigzag is just like on the other coin that I did yesterday, Neo. It's a flat. So first third wave move, 3 wave move was A, B, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3, 4 and 5 for the C. A, B, C, 3 wave move, and then we have a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute, where's the wick? Where's the wick? Where's the wick? That's alright, it enters the territory of wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This wave looks larger than this one, but if you do this, then it doesn't. So leading diagonal into the B, into the C. Let's go back to log. Alright, so A, B, C, B, one, two, with the 1, 2, inner 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I'm gonna give you the linear scale to see actually how it's possible, huh? 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 to end your third, 4 and 5. So oh, it just looks disaster. That was your inner move for the wave B. Now this one, again, here we go again. I'm having this as a wave 1, 2, and then this is your wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And I really cannot count this as a 4 and a 5. I can't. So I really do expect that it falls. Because this being 1, 2, 3, and then a 3, 3, 5 for a flat, and then we go down again, and I'm gonna enter the matrix here. So wave A and a zigzag B and an ending diagonal C for your wave A. 3-wave move here, A, B, C. So that's a 3, 3, 3, and we have a case of this being a 5 with 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 4, 1, 2, 3, with an extended third, 4, and a 5. For the moment, this looks 3-wave, but the C is ridiculous comparing to A. Now, is this going to be 1, 2, 3? Or it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we wait for reaction. Let's go back to daily. We hit the golden zone, we hit 1 to 1, A to C when it comes to zigzags, and we wait for the reaction. If the reaction is 5 ways, so we need 5 ways to end something, and we need 5 waves to begin something. Then we have a 3-wave pullback. In Elliott Wave theory, we know that 5 is stronger than 3. So we potentially long the retracement. Most of the time, when crypto goes berserk, it doesn't give a retracement, as here, for example. So I wouldn't blame you for trying to catch the bottom either. But this is what I see on the dash for the moment, and it kind of scares me to see this too, that most of the coins are just see flats and that there's more down to come, but it is what it is. And I leave you off with this. I think it was enough of analysis, so I'm bearish for the moment, but I'm glad to be wrong, huh? I'm glad to be wrong, and this was a 1 and off we go. Okay, thank you so much for your attention, guys. Have a lovely day.